Hey everybody, so I want to show you something real quick after these people go by. How you doing? This is the sidewalk for the mailbox. Right here. This is what happens when you live in an apartment building that that chooses not to go and shovel. This is absolutely freaking ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Like, you literally cannot even get on this goddamn sidewalk to even go and check the mail. Like, this is absolute bullshit. This is absolute freaking bullshit. No way to go check the mail. Not a freaking way. This is fucked up right here. Absolutely fucked up. There's no way for me to get onto the sidewalk. This is fucked up. Only that little bit is not totally filled with snow, but the end over here is all a foot of snow. Like bullshit. Because the sidewalk ends over here. This is bullshit. Fucking bullshit. I'm sorry.